Central to London School of Theology's vision is resourcing churches. Faith-seeking understanding does just that. Created for any Christian who wants to grow, whether you're a new Christian or you have a PhD, we'll take you on a journey of theological discovery, encouraging your faith, giving you a hunger for more. Taught by our wonderful faculty, sessions are practical, interactive and accessible. People can join us in person on our Northwood campus or online from anywhere around the globe, 3 times a year on a Saturday. Ideally, you'll come as church groups like a home group or a cell group so that you can think through together and apply what you're learning to your particular church context. And at just £10 per head on site, £8 per head online for the day, we believe it's a valuable resource for the church. Our next event is Saturday the 18th of March, when we'll be thinking about meeting God when life is hard. Please visit our events page at lst.ac.uk/events for more information or to register. Thank you.